In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote. We'll walk through the basics of creating and editing a note in the Evernote web app. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to start capturing your ideas in a clean, organized way. First, open your web browser and go to the Evernote website. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. If you're new to Evernote, you'll need to create a free account, which only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Evernote dashboard. Here, you'll usually see a list of your existing notes on one side and a larger space on the right where the content of a selected note appears. To create or open a note, look for the area labeled Notes or the option to add a new note. This might appear as a button that says New or New Note, often near the top of the screen or in a sidebar. Click on that. If you already have notes, you can also click on any note in the list to open it and continue working. When your note is open, you'll see a blank page or existing content in the main editing area. Now that you're inside a note, let's start adding content. Evernote has a powerful editor that lets you do more than just type plain text, and one of the quickest ways to access those options is by using the / command. Click into the body of your note where you want to start, and type a single / like this, slash. As soon as you type the slash, Evernote will open a small menu of options. This menu lets you insert different types of content into your note. Depending on what's available in your version, you might see things like headings, checklists, bullet lists, tables, dividers, attachments, or other formatting blocks. Use your mouse or your arrow keys to scroll through the list and choose what you want to add. Then click or press enter to insert it into the note. From there, just start typing or adding information into the new block you selected. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. Click where you want something new, type the / and choose the element that best matches what you're trying to capture. That's all you need to get started. Go to Evernote, open or create a note, use the / command to choose what you want to add, and build out your note step